What is good, everyone? We are back in Souls RNG, and I'm using my main account because
Why not?
we're gonna show you a lot of bugs and glitches that
In this
we
game.
discovered with Arcane and other
Bro,
auras.
first we go with chromatic. It's the by far
So
the
what you're
weirdest one.
so what you're gonna do is equip any Arcane, jump up, teleport, and equip and chromatic.
Bro, you're still normal.
Oh,
Let's try
this
that one more time.
this is gonna take forever, is it? God damn it.
Oh my goodness. Nope, still no. Oh my goodness, what the? Yeah,
Here it is, chromatic headache.
only I can see it, but he can't.
So you cannot see it on my POV, but you can see it on my brother's POV right here.
Yo, what the hell? Bro, it's a chromatic headache. You
It's
can do it on Arcane Legacy, and Arcane Dark.
That's quite crazy, and also you could do it on undead too. You want to see undead zombie?
Undead zombie. Hell yeah. No way you just did it in first try.
Here it is, woo! Undead
Yo.
zombie, hurrah! This is so cool because you cannot see it, but others can. So you're just gonna look like a delusional person.
Try with Bonded. Does it work on Bonded?
It works on Unbound, or should I say Unbounded Superman.
Bonded Superman. Nope. Still
None.
no.
Okay. Yeah.
I
Ah,
got to turn on my auto roll. Bro is a Superman. Bro thinks he's really Superman. Look at him. Look at that guy. Look at that. Uh, look at that. Look at that. We're going to use Forbidden. Then let's go.
look at me, I'm Superman. Wee, I'm Superman. Watch me fly. Yeah, I really think I'm Superman. I really think that I'm Superman. Superman. Oh yeah. Yeah, basically you can do it on also defined.
Bro is a zombie.
Let's go. Again, I cannot see it on my POV, but you can see it on others. And everyone can see it
Bro,
except for you.
stop moving. Stop moving.
Dude,
Bro is a zombie. There you go. No. Oh my goodness. Wait.
hell yeah.